Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. A green light laser level is an essential tool for builders, carpenters, and enthusiasts who require precision and accuracy in their projects. Green light laser levels provide better visibility than red light laser levels, especially in brighter conditions. They are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use and can handle a wide range of applications, from simple leveling tasks to complex alignment projects. With so many options available in the market, it can be challenging to choose the best green light laser level that meets your needs. In this guide, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best green light laser levels based on their features, functionality, user reviews, and overall value for money. Whether you're a professional contractor or a enthusiast, our list will help you make an informed decision and choose the best green light laser level for your projects. Number 5. DUTRIEUX 3D12 Lines Laser Level Green Light Laser Level. The DUTRIEUX 3D12 Lines Green Light Laser Level is a fantastic tool that has quickly become one of my favorites. It comes in a compact size of 117/72/94mm 4.61 2.83 3.70 inches. Making it very easy to handle and store. The laser level is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use due to its self-leveling angle of ±3 degrees and working temperature range of -10 to 50 degrees. One of the standout features of this laser level is its 532 nm wavelength, which produces a bright and highly visible green light that can be seen even in well-lit areas. The precision of ±1 mm 5 meters is also impressive, ensuring that your measurements are accurate and reliable. The 12 laser lines that this tool produces are another great feature that makes it stand out from other laser levels. They allow you to work on multiple planes simultaneously, which saves time and improves accuracy. Additionally, this tool has both vertical and horizontal lasers, making it very versatile and ideal for various applications. The build quality of the DUTRIEUX 3D12 Lines Green Light Laser Level is also impressive. The housing is durable and can withstand rough handling, and the tool is also water resistant, making it suitable for use in wet conditions. Number 4. pracmanu PRLL12A Green Light Laser Level. The pracmanu PRLL12A Green Light Laser Level is a great tool for anyone who needs to perform precise leveling and alignment tasks. This laser level is compact, easy to use, and offers impressive accuracy. It's also equipped with several special features that make it versatile enough to use in a variety of settings. One of the most notable features of the PRLL12A is its 12-line measurement model. This allows you to create a precise 360-degree level line around any room or space, making it easy to ensure that everything is perfectly aligned. The laser is also capable of producing both horizontal and vertical lines, which makes it a great tool for a variety of applications. Another standout feature of this laser level is its outdoor mode. This allows you to use the level in bright sunlight, which is often a challenge with traditional laser levels. The outdoor mode is particularly useful for landscaping or construction projects, where you need to level and align objects outdoors. The tilt function is another useful feature of the PRLL12A. This allows you to adjust the angle of the laser, making it easy to level objects on uneven surfaces. The precision of ±2 mm 10 meters ensures that you get an accurate reading every time, which is essential for any professional or DE project. Number 3. Yilong DSK Green Light Laser Level. The Yilong DSK Green Light Laser Level is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to achieve precise and accurate measurements. This laser level has a wavelength of 532 nm, which provides a bright and clear green laser line that is easy to see in both indoor and outdoor settings. One of the standout features of this laser level is its precision. With an accuracy of 6 m ±1 mm, you can trust that your measurements will be exact and reliable. The 12-line measurement model allows you to easily check for level, plumb, and square, making it a versatile tool for a variety of applications. The laser level is also designed with convenience in mind. Its compact size of 15,021,080mm makes it easy to transport and store, while the vertical and horizontal lasers allow for a range of measurement orientations. The device also comes with a built-in rechargeable battery that provides long-lasting power, ensuring that you can use it for extended periods without interruption. Number 2. Bosch GLL360XG Green Light Laser Level. The Bosch GLL360XG Green Light Laser Level is an exceptional piece of equipment that is designed to make leveling tasks easier and more efficient. This laser level boasts an impressive work range of up to 30 meters, which can be extended to up to 60 meters with the use of a compatible laser receiver. This means that it can be used for a wide variety of tasks both indoors and outdoors. One of the standout features of this laser level is its accuracy, which is rated at plus or minus 0.3 mm per m, with additional deviation produced during use. This level of accuracy makes it ideal for tasks that require precise measurements, such as installing cabinets, tiling, or laying floors. The Bosch GLL360XG also features a self-leveling range of plus or minus 3 degrees, which means that it can automatically adjust its position to ensure that the laser lines are always level. This makes it incredibly easy to use even for those who are new to laser leveling. Another great feature of this laser level is its projection capabilities. It is capable of projecting 360 degrees laser lines, making it easy to level and align objects in all directions. The green laser line color is also a nice touch, as it is easier to see than red laser lines, especially in bright lighting conditions. The Bosch GLL360XG is also designed to be durable and reliable. It has an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, which means that it can withstand harsh working conditions. The laser level also comes with a tripod thread that is compatible with both 1/4 and 5/8 tripods, making it easy to set up and use on a variety of surfaces. Number 1. MUSU KB Green Light Laser Level. The MUSU KB Green Light Laser Level is a fantastic tool for any DE enthusiast or professional contractor looking for a reliable and accurate leveling solution. This laser level features 5 lines for both vertical and horizontal measurements, which makes it incredibly versatile for a wide range of applications. One of the standout features of the MUSU KB is its bright green laser light, which is incredibly visible even in bright daylight conditions. This makes it easy to see your leveling lines and get your measurements right the first time around. The build quality of the MUSU KB is excellent, with a sturdy and durable design that feels like it can withstand heavy use on job sites. The level is also compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport from job to job. The controls on the MUSU KB are simple and intuitive, making it easy to switch between different modes and adjust the brightness of the laser to suit your needs. The laser level also comes with a handy mounting bracket, which makes it easy to set up and get started right away. Thanks for watching this video.